finally got some melons. There were 2 more white ago, but before they were white, I realized they were white. The animals had a heyday with them, but got these 3 in the past few days. We have, I think, like 4 or 5 plants. We tried, it's the Minnesota Midget Cantaloupe. As you can see, they are kind of small, but I like that because then if the bugs or the animals get one, we still have some left. All of us just out, if that helps you with size of them. I suppose the seed packet could have done. But anyways, this is one I picked today. It was split. We've gotten some rain last night, and supposed to get a good deal more rain the next few days. So that was actually one reason I went out to pick to avoid it splitting, but thankfully I caught it soon enough, and they smell delicious. Too bad you can't smell on here. On this one I picked a few days ago. I think it's ripe. We're going to eat it today. And this one probably is not quite ripe, but it was close enough. It did slip off the vine pretty well, and with the rain coming, I didn't want it to split like this one, and quite frankly I didn't want to have to go out in the rain and dig amongst the vines. So I'll have to let you know how it tastes, but we're pretty happy with these. They just have small compact vines too, maybe about a yard square. The melon vines look like growing, just a nice little patch there you can see. Maybe a little bit more than a yard by a yard. This is what it looks like inside. Seems to have a very, very thin rind, which should help you get more